This is the recap of this video. My husband and I are building my parents' house and our house. This is our first video and we start by clearing the land because of course we gotta get on it. I do have some problems, one of them not being able to operate machinery, but it turns out that this time it is not my fault and we happen to get a new one, so goody for us. This is my dad and he's happy to be here. There's a lot of work to be done, but we'll gladly do it to reach our goals. And after a hard day's work, we get our little mini excavator up and that's it. Watch the full video on our channel.